got the moves, but you can break out whenever you want if you got some extra stuff cooking. All right, beat shakers, let's hit it. Hey! Yeah, you got it. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, hey! Okay, that was a good start. Are you guys ready? Supersonic crew, let's give them a beat. 5, 6, 7, 8, hey! Oh! Oh! It's getting traditional now. Hey, hey! 5, 6, 7, 8, give them a round of applause. Oh, let's keep going. Give it a round of applause. Okay, we're gonna do round 2. Round 2. Don't be y'all deciding on a winner here, okay? All right, when you're ready, beat shakers, let's hit it.